Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn programming step by step. First, select a programming language that is easy for beginners, such as Python or JavaScript. These languages have clear syntax and large communities, making learning resources readily available. Focus on grasping core concepts like data types, control flow, and functions. Consistent daily practice, even for short periods, is crucial for building muscle memory and reinforcing your understanding. Once you have a basic understanding, delve deeper into core programming concepts. Explore data structures such as arrays, lists, and dictionaries, which are essential for organizing information. Next, study fundamental algorithms to improve your problem-solving skills and write more efficient code. Leverage free online resources and interactive coding challenges to solidify your knowledge and apply what you've learned in practical scenarios. Now it's time to put your skills into action. Start building small, personal projects that interest you, like a simple calculator or a to-do list application. This hands-on experience is invaluable for understanding how different concepts fit together. Consider contributing to open-source projects to gain real-world experience and collaborate with other developers. As you complete projects, compile them into a portfolio to demonstrate your abilities to potential employers. Programming is a field of continuous learning. Once you have a solid foundation, consider specializing in an area like web development, mobile app development, or data science. Keep up with the latest technologies and programming paradigms by reading articles and attending workshops. Networking with other developers and finding mentors can provide guidance and open doors to new opportunities, helping you grow your expertise over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.